A great sunnah is to dust your bed. A great sunnah is to dust your bed. Before you sleep and head to bed. Before you sleep and head to bed. Recite Ayatul Kursi, Surah Nas and Falaq. Recite Ayatul Kursi, Surah Nas and Falaq. No more playing, it's time to rest. No more playing, it's time to rest. A great sunnah is not to sleep on left. A great sunnah is not to sleep on left. Perform wudu before sleeping ahead. Perform wudu and sleeping ahead. Place the right hand below the right cheek. Place the right hand below the right cheek. Slightly bend down your knees and slightly bend down your knees. Please make sure no is upset. Please make sure no is upset so you can sleep peacefully in your bed. In your bed. In your bed. A great sunnah is to recite a dua. A great sunnah is to recite a dua. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya. Thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and share on my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Bye.